In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or invite members to your Trello board. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing your to-do list with someone else, inviting others to your Trello board is a fundamental skill. So let's dive right in and make the process easy and straightforward for you. First off, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Head to the Trello homepage and find the login option. If you're not yet logged in, that's your first task. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options to enter your information. For simplicity and convenience, let's click on the Login with Google button. This option allows you to quickly sign in using your Google account. After clicking, a list of your linked Google accounts will appear. Choose the one you'd like to use to connect to Trello, and you should be in your workspace in no time. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Members tab. This tab is essential for managing the people who have access to your Trello boards. You'll typically find this under the Workspace or Board settings. Click on it, and it will open up your membership options. Now, you're ready to invite new members to your Trello board. Spot the option labelled Invite Workspace Members and give it a click. This will bring up a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the email address of the individual you wish to invite. Make sure you've got the correct address to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once you've entered the email, you should see that the address appears below. Simply click on it to select it. The next step is to send the invitation. Once the email address is selected, find the Send Invite button and click on it. This action sends an invitation directly to the recipient's inbox, prompting them to join your Trello board. It's worth mentioning that your invitee may need to create a Trello account if they don't have one already. On receiving your invitation, they'll follow the instructions to set up their account and join your workspace. Super easy for them too. And there you have it. Inviting someone to your Trello board in a few simple steps. This feature greatly enhances collaboration in team projects, class assignments, or just planning out a family event. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on using Trello. Let's make teamwork more efficient and organized, one board at a time.